gonna drop that, you know, so it doesn't really matter. And we were kind of sarcastic sometimes, so what happened, we came up with ridiculous last names. For example, nooit gedacht, that is never thought, because we never thought you would need a last name, right? Or another one is naakt geboren, which means born naked. And another one is van kloten, which means from testicles. So we had like ridiculous last names, and actually what happened when Napoleon left, we decided to keep the last names because they were very useful for collecting taxes, etc. So there are still people with those last names. And actually one of our guides in Amsterdam, he is called nooit gedacht from his last name. And also Napoleon was the guy who said we should have street names. And with street names we were somewhat less original, so we often called streets after the profession that was carried out there. So this became the bag carrier alley, the zakken steeg. And also every major city in Holland has, for example, a bakery street where all bakeries used to be, etc. So that's how those names came to be. Okay, now we're gonna walk down the bag carrier alley, the zakken steeg. And at the end, on your right side, there's an image I all want you to take a good look at. And I will point it out when we're there, okay? Okay, let's go.